very thirsty. Our next performance today, ladies and gentlemen, is our next door neighbor, the independent state of Samoa. Let's give them a big hand. All right, let's welcome them to the stage. And I just want to make a few announcements while they're coming on the stage. Don't forget all the groups that are performing tonight. We would like to ask you to be on time wherever you're scheduled to perform at, whether it's a pavilion in Pangtongo or the stadium in Tafuna. We'd like you to be there on time so that we can start on time. 2 minutes late will be okay, but more than that will not be. Okay. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, the Independent State of Samoa group performance. All right, sit back and relax.
Ia whatalo whātul pai maurunga I lau tapoe, tuile manual nei tai au malvanga le aso, alonso I fumaua malalangi mama. Leo le alo atu ia le malotu totasi Samoa le lana whawhiawhianga mo si le fia, e wha au whawhiawhia ua whai masui o le malo Samoa le nei fwoi tausanga. Tūsal wharinga lon spuro tū manganu o lau whawhiawhia lau tau mai mo e lau whawhiawhia whai au Samoa, mai malifa. O le aso tofi, o le au whawhiawhia o la tau mai mo iai, o le e kalesia la mosa mai whalefa, le lato au talavou, a penale kalesia whakasa mai whatoia le manu, ia ma le au whawhiawhia o whaingoina o le Island Fire. Ia o tātou whawhiawhianga nā mo le whamoemoele nei, ia ai leo toi pose lilo, o tātou whatuwhatunga ma tātou pespesenga, e whatau o tātou siosio manga, whatau o tātou tangata, ma le tātou fsotainga ma le tātou siosio manga, le ngata le nā, tātou fsotainga whale uo, I le ali, le tamaitai, ia po no inu, ma motu I motu, usi lau mai moa. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Otulei Beach. It's a pleasure to have you all here to witness our performance for today. Today you will see our first performance from the independent state of Samoa, which will be delivered to you by none other than our teachers' cultural group. Soon I will introduce them on stage and give them the pleasure of entertaining you for the next 10 minutes. So without further ado, I ask you to sit tight, enjoy yourselves, and enjoy our performance. Representing Samoa and the independent state of Samoa and all its people, please welcome the Samoa Teachers Cultural Group. Oh yeah! Most of our dances, ladies and gentlemen, will be about our environment, about our people, and how we interact in our everyday lives. Ladies and gentlemen, the teachers from Samoa.